We are students of Labone Senior High School. Labone.
We go by the name
Movable and Foldable Project Ghana. We innovate, research, and invent. Access to nutritious food is a global issue. A non-governmental organization called Action Against Hunger conducted a poll and realized that interrelated problems with poverty, hunger, gender discrimination, and conflict are the main causes of hunger.
All of these contribute to the fact that millions of people worldwide are unable to afford nutritious food. The research that was mentioned above was conducted by our team, which have now come to the goal that in the next 15 years, people will have control over what they eat in high quality, both locally and globally.
Project's goal is to ensure food sovereignty in senior high schools here in Ghana, giving students authority over what they eat. Our prototype was made with locally available materials. The prototype's remarkable feature is its mobility, which means that it can be moved from one place to another, or the user's convenient location.
This is our prototype.
Materials which are used in building this prototype are the holes, the gallons, the wood, nails, the wheels, and nets.
The prototype is intended to produce crops and snails.
The crops are cultivated in these containers that are filled with soil that are placed on the extension seam. On top of the prototype, we have a gallon. Connected to the gallon are pipe hooks that transport water and distribute it evenly to the crops. This is our irrigation system.
The snails are intended to be kept at the lower section of the prototype. To enable aeration, there's a net that covers this section, and this section can also be opened and closed appropriately. Depending on the weather, the prototype is designed in such a way that it can be moved to the convenient location. We ran into constructing our prototype was how to connect the irrigation to the plants, making sure each and every plant receive adequate drip, and also ensuring that each of the plants receives adequate sunlight.
Because this one is at the same length as this. This one is supposed to be shorter than the downwards. And also how to move the prototype from the upper part where it was built, that's upstairs, to the lower part.
This prototype can produce non-traditional animals like rabbits and snails. Also, it can cultivate other crops like mushrooms. Aside this, our prototype has the potential to guarantee food sovereignty in churches, children's homes, and other institutions, including our senior high schools.
Ghana.
Take control of what you eat tomorrow by dancing and seek today. Food sovereignty, the only way to achieving food security and ending poverty.
Thank you all.